Hey, boys and girls, it's time for math. Today is our last day of Unit 8. That means you're going to be taking your Unit 8 test. But before you do, we need to review so you're extra prepared to show off what you know. Let's check out our first practice problem. Our first practice problem says, which does not show breaking apart 10? To figure out which one does not show it, we need to know what it means to break apart 10. Well, whenever you're using a 10 frame, that means your whole 10 frame needs to be filled. Let's look at our first answer choice. Answer choice A has the whole 10 frame filled. That means it's showing 10. And since it's got two colors, they broke it into two groups. But our question is asking which one does not show that. So it can't be that answer. Let's check out answer choice B. Is that 10 frame full? You're right, it's not. Look, there's an empty space. This one is not showing 10 because the 10 frame is not full. Right now, answer choice B is looking like a pretty good answer. But we're good test takers. Whenever you take a test, you always check all of your answers. Let's check C and D. Do those 10 frames show 10? You're right, they do. The 10 frames are full. Well, it looks like answer choice B is the only one that makes sense. Let's check out our next practice question. Our next question says, which equation matches the picture? Let's take a look at this picture. What group is being broken apart? I'll have to count all of the pineapples so I can tell you what the group is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we've got a group of 6 being broken apart. Let's look at our answer choices. This answer choice shows 6 being broken apart. This one shows 7. This one also shows 6. This one shows 4. Our only possible choices are A and C. Now, let's take a look at what the groups are. How many pineapples are in the first group? You're right, there are 4. How many are in the second group? Right again, there are 2. So our first group has 4, and our second group has 2. Is that 6 equals 3 plus 3? No, that can't be right. Is that 6 equals 4 plus 2? It is! We found our answer. Answer choice C. Great job. It's time for the next practice question. Here is our next practice question. Which set of equations matches the picture? Let's take a look at those equations. Do they start with the whole or do they start with the parts? All of these equations start with something plus something. We need to figure out what the parts are. Let's see how many red buckets there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red buckets. Now we need to figure out how many green buckets there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 green buckets. That means we're joining a group of 5 with 4. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5. It can go either way. Let's look at our answer choices. Answer A has 5 plus 4 and 4 plus 5. This could be a possibility. Let's look at B, 5 plus 5. Well, that's not right. My groups are 5 and 4. This can't be right. Let's look at C, 5 plus 3. No, we said it's 5 plus 4. C can't be right either. Let's look at our last one. 5 plus 4. Oh yeah, that could be right. 4 plus 4. No, we have a group of 4 and 5. D can't be right either. It must be answer choice A. 5 plus 4 equals 9, or 4 plus 5 equals 9. Great problem solving. It's time for another practice question. Our next question says, Herbert has 6 bananas. He packs some for school and leaves some at home. Which one shows how he can break them apart? Well, we have to check out the answer choices. Choice A says 2 plus 2. Let's try that. We have a group of 2 plus 2. Did that break apart our 6 bananas? Wait a second. We still have some bananas left over. 2 plus 2 does not work. Let's try choice B. 3 plus 2. 3 bananas, 2 bananas. Did that work? No, there's still one more banana left. That doesn't work either. Let's try choice C. 4 plus 1. Here's a group of 4 bananas and a group of 1 banana. That's not breaking apart 6 either. Look, there's still a banana left over. Gosh, I hope answer choice D works. Otherwise, I gotta figure something out. Answer choice D says 5 plus 1. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas and 1 banana left. Did that use all 6 bananas? It did. That's the only answer that works. Herbert could split it into a group of 5 and a group of 1. All right, you guys are doing a great job. It's time for one final practice question. Let's check it out. This last question says, how many counters are missing from the 10 frame? Which equation shows the missing part of 10? Well, that's easy. We need to start by figuring out how many counters we need to fill up the frame. Let's fill it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What was the missing part of 10? You got it, 3. Now, let's check our answer choices. We have 5 plus 5 equals 10. Wait a second. I have 7 yellow and 3 blue. Is that showing 5 plus 5? No, I don't think so. Let's look at the next choice. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Do I have 6 plus 4? No, I'm looking for 7 and 3. Let's look at the next one. 7 plus 3 equals 10. There it is. I have 7 yellow and 3 blue. And that fills up my whole 10 frame. I'm going to fill this answer in, but we're good test takers. We've got to check all the answers. 2 plus 5 equals 7. What's wrong with that answer? You're right. It's not even adding up to 10. That was a silly choice. We're not going to get tricked by that one. Answer C is the only one that works. All right, that's it for our practice. It's time for you to go take your test and show me all that you've learned. Good luck, friends. See you soon.